Let's consider what APV means. At first, everyone was excited about the solar energy. However, as the size of solar PV projects increased, the negative impact on living conditions in the surrounding area also increased. When solar PV projects are indiscriminately developed, disasters such as landslides and the threat of land loss is accelerated. This intrusion on farmland negatively impacts food security for the local community due to arable land shortages caused by the large solar PV projects. For these reasons, public acceptance of solar PV projects is getting worse. Local community resistance to solar PV projects makes the development of policy and regulations complicated and difficult. These difficulties are more common in developing countries, and finding an answer to the concerns of these communities is critical to the success of any solar PV project. Envelops has an answer with APV. APV combines agriculture with energy generation by farming under a canopy of solar panels. Envelops APV technology allows for the space needed by a solar power plant to generate serious amounts of electricity cleanly for a community without preventing valuable land to be used for farming. This new technology promises to improve crop production, reduce water use, and create energy. Envelops APV technology can also provide additional revenue. The solar panels are placed on the same land as crops, allowing the farmers to harvest the power of the sun for both their crops and the production of energy at the same time. Nearly all crops can be cultivated under solar panels. However, we acknowledge openly that it is true that there may be some yield loss during the less sunny seasons. This was shown in a German-filed test between 2016 through 2017, which were wet and cold years. APV crop yields were 25% less. However, in the following year, 2018, it was a dry and hot year. The crop years exceeded expectations despite these conditions thanks to the APV. This is a sign that APV could be a game changer in regions that have similar climate conditions. Envelops has its own unique simulation program which optimizes the design for power generation and agriculture production. In 2020, Green Climate Fund successfully financed the world's first use of the APV project. The food security problem and fossil fuel dependency of Ovalau Island can be conquered through this project. This project can provide the clearing of 5 hectares of agricultural land and supply clean energy for around 10,000 people in Ovalau. This is equivalent to the impact of about 100,000 ton carbon dioxide equivalent of greenhouse gas reduction for the Ovalau community. Envelops will continue to grow APV projects in developing countries to tackle climate challenges and contribute to the Global Sustainable Development Goal. We strongly believe that Envelops My Power Plan platform and our APV technology is the best set of tools for achieving positive impacts for developing communities and help combat climate change.